Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Govind English Teacher. Today we have an interesting personality, and now I am going to welcome him in in my session, in my live session. Sir, please introduce yourself, sir.
Yes, so sir, as you know, my name is Devcharan Verma and I am doing MA with the English literature and I am from Chhattisgarh. And thanks for giving me opportunity to being a part of your channels. Yeah, it's my great pleasure. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for your introduction. You are student of literature. You are doing PG, MA in English language. Very good, very nice, sir. So, and please tell what is the is and why you have selected the English literature. So, what is the secret behind that? Just doing PG. Please explain.
Okay, yes, sir. So, sir, I have complete my till 12th with the science subject, but suddenly English becomes very difficult for me to proceed my further education. Then I thought why not I should start learning English. Then when I started learning English, so I felt an interest over this language. Then I thought why not I should enroll myself in my graduations in English literature. That's how my journey began of English literature in my graduations, and with that decision I'm still happy because I like this language. That's why I want to make my career with this language. Yeah, and I want to go for a teaching field. That's why I'm very dedicated to learn English, and I spend every day 3 hours 4 hours to learn English. And I read books and watch some video on YouTube. That's how I'm improving, sir.
Okay, how long time have you been practicing English language like this? But you are very confident and fluent speaker. So, how did you acquire the skill?
Yeah, I think it took me, I think, it has been 2 years. I am very consistent in these 2 years, but there are a lot of the things which I have to work there, and I can improve my English more and more. Because as you know, there is no limitation of excellence. If we will devote more time, then we will get more result. That's what I want from this language.
Okay, so because of your passion, because of your dedication, determination, you have chosen literature. So, if
Yes.
anybody who wants to develop communication skills, is it yes necessary to do literature? So, is there any relationship with literature and communication? So,
No,
can any
no.
literature? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, there is no necessary to take a course of English literature in their graduation if they want to develop their fluency over the English language. So they can develop by practice because, as you know, I think you are a teacher of English, so you have great knowledge about it. How they can develop their knowledge of the any language, not only English. If they will practice, so they can learn any language. Yeah, but for that they have to be very consistent. Some of the student I have seen in my life, they practice for 1 month 2 months. After that they give up their dedications toward learning English. So if someone want very instant result over any language, so I think they might be not get because it's not our mother tongue. So we are not surrounded ourselves with the English language. So that's why we face more problem in our lives to develop this language.
Okay, okay. To be a good communicator, a fluent speaker, there must be in an English environment. Okay, the consistent practice, also the burning desire, very essential and for a good communicator. Okay, nice, sir. Nice experience, nice explanation. And what are the suggestions or advices that you are going to give new learners or some beginners are there? What are your suggestions? And please give our experience and how one can develop communication skills.
Mhm. Yeah, so at the beginning levels, one of the most bad things that a student do, if they want to learn English, so they should start with the sentence, not with the vocabulary. What they do, they try to learn very sophisticated words which we usually use in our day to day lives. So we should not do like that. So rather than choosing any hard works, hard word of English, so we should just try to learn the situational sentence of English. Like when we like describe any situation, so that times we need only sentence, not more vocabulary. Because I have seen in my life, there are a lot of the speaker who speaks very well without having too much knowledge of vocabulary. So if we have simple knowledge of vocabulary, even then if we have knowledge of sentence, so we can somehow describe any topics very easily with the confident.
Okay, nice, sir. Actually, you have to sync the sentence to the situation. So,
Mhm.
by syncing the sentences to the situation, so we have to learn, we have to by heart the phrases. So, by learning words, vocabulary doesn't help, but words are important. But
Mhm.
sentences are structure or what we call phrases are more effective than the words. So by using
Mhm.
phrases, by syncing the situation, by using the syncing situation, sentence and situation, one can a good speaker. Yes, your experience is good, sir. That in that way you have learned. Okay,
Mhm.
nice explanation. I think those who are listening our conversation, they will understand, and one can be excellent speaker by using sentences and the phrases according to the situation. When they sync the situations in their walk of life, automatically they will have they have to sensitize the phrases, the sentences and the situation, and automatically they will learn. So it is a
Mhm.
psychological process, it is a practical process. Very good, sir. And what more things you want to add, sir?
Yeah, I would like to add what they most of the learner they do of English language or like when they take very sophisticated words, so they only take the only words. They don't try to learn the sentence from where that word should use with the sentence. So instead of learning only word, we should learn uses of that word. Yeah, so that we can keep that word for long time in our mind, and we can easily talk with anyone, and that case we can use that sentence with the full confidence. And unless we practice our English language, we should not sleep, we should not eat, we have to make it a part of our life. Then
Yes.
it become very easy, like our mother tongues. We can speak better than our mother tongue, because we are learning English with the grammatical process. But so we didn't learn our mother tongue with the grammatical. That's why we make lot of mistake in our mother tongue. You know very well.
Yeah. If you think according to our grammar, so whatever we are talking may be many mistakes, even in our mother tongue also. But we learned the language by situationally we have learned, but we didn't learn grammar and language. So like way how we learn our mother tongue, the same we have to implement. We have to same try to learn other language. Okay, that's good,
Mhm.
sir. Actually, so we have to by heart. So merely having the vocabulary word power doesn't help us in communication, and
Yeah.
by proper uses of the structure, uses of the sentence, uses of the phrases are very essential to be a good communicator. Okay, sir, that's nice, because how we learn our language, the same way one has to learn other language also. Yes, sir,
Mhm.
nice, good explanation. Then
Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, if viewer of this video, if they thinks without vocabulary we cannot understand if someone speaks, so for that I have solution for that. If they will spend 2 year 3 years, then automatically they can go for advanced vocabulary, and they can build their vocabulary power as well. Because if you have more knowledge of vocabulary, so then you can understand any speakers, not only Indian but British, American, any speakers. Because as you know, British and Americans, they use more slangs when they speak. So
yes. Okay,
yes.
slang. Okay, nice. So by understanding the meaningful structures, by understanding the meaningful pages, and by synchronizing those meaningful structures or pages or sentences into our day-to-day work of life, automatically it will be habituated. So we have to
Mhm.
make English language as our mother tongue by using
Mhm.
regular basis, and one
Mhm.
can be excellent speaker. So this is psychologically proven actually, because
Mhm.
language can learn by habit forming process, so I have to make it habit. So by
Mhm.
making habit only, one can develop language ability, language excellency, language skills, language fluency, language what we call efficiency, you can say that, thank you sir, thank you for your great suggestions and great advices regarding English communications development, and thank you for your good what we call inspiring words, and thank you for your sharing your time and sparing your time, sparing your ideas. Thank you, sir. See you later, sir.
Yeah, it was a nice meeting with you, sir. Thanks for giving me opportunity, and I hope we will talk more in future. Yes.
Okay, sir. We'll keep on touch. And thank
Yeah.
you. Good luck. Thank you very much for your interaction. Thank you for your motivation. Thank you for your suggestions, advices, and your strategy, your way of learning. And thank you one more, sir. Once more. Okay. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Take care, sir. Bye.
Bye bye.